Racing just is started. We have Mr. Godfather. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside. Playmaker. Best asset. And on the outside. Top notcher. Kim Possible. Conquista Royal. Instant. Star of Manila. Then down on the inside is Be My Lover. Next online now is Shades of Red. Maimpok getting the white strip as they make the first turn. Interceptor and Miss Pangawa. And as they swing down the back, we have two entries running past as they can. Mr. Godfather is down on the inside. And on the outside comes Playmaker. And 6 lanes away in third comes Best Asset. Be My Lover comes next. Impossible. Conquista Royal alongside the Star of Manila. Top Notcher. Instant. Shades of Red comes next. Then followed by Interceptor, Maimpok, and Miss Pangao now racing lens. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Playmaker by about 2 lengths. Mr. Godfather in second. Best Asset is racing into the as they swing for home. We have Playmaker by about 2 lengths. Followed by Mr. Godfather in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have Playmaker, Mr. Godfather is on the outside, and finally it's Playmaker, Mr. Godfather, Be My Lover, Close, Kim Possible, and Conquista Royal. Then comes a Star of Manila.